Why did you miss those 3 leads this morning? And why do your customers keep calling you in the evening when you want to relax? Well, you are using the same phone to do business that you used to order pizza with. There is an easy fix though. First, trust and answer rates are the new bottleneck, with reports of 92% consumers believing that unidentified calls are fraudulent, and 46% of them go unanswered. Secondly, the UCaaS/UCC market is mature and still expanding, with AI and UCCC integration accelerating investment with forecasts of $85 billion by 2028. Forced total economic impact studies repeatedly show payback under 6 months and triple-digit ROI for cloud calling and contact center modernization. A virtual business number is a front door for your digital clients, and with several options to choose from, how can you be certain what's right for you? If only there was a guide that will take you through the whole process. Let's say you are a small-scale business, a solo operator, a freelancer, or a consultant. Somebody who essentially needs to stop giving out your personal cell. Grasshopper introduces smaller players to the virtual business world with a second line that's the same price as 2 oatmeal lattes a week. It's clean and easy to set up. They offer a toll-free numbers, vanity numbers so you can add your own special flair, and local numbers as well so you can increase your local presence. You don't get the fancy features though. No AI, no CRM sync, and no automation that's essential for scaling your online business. And what else is essential for scaling your business? How can your potential customers sift through your competition to find you? Let's talk branding. A software like 800.com gives you slightly more advanced options besides choosing a personalized vanity phone number. 1-800 toll-free and local numbers are an integral part of their solution. And if you are feeling nostalgic, they even offer fax. Listen, if you still use that, let me know in the comments down below and I'll frame that picture on the wall in our office. Anyway, as far as branding goes, this can be a great advertisement for a billboard or a truck. Studies indicate that 72% of people can correctly recall a vanity number after a 30-second ad, compared to only 5% for standard numeric numbers. But since it's branding first, the automation comes in a second place. And even though the pricing looks friendly, once you hit their usage cap, your $19 plan suddenly behaves like a low-cost airline baggage fee. Next-gen intelligent tools, AI in-depth analytics, performance tracking. Those aren't just buzzwords that I'm listing out, but a standard toolset that you get with CloudTalk. CloudTalk is purpose-built for teams that need a competitive edge when they adopt a business phone system, not just another number. The setup takes minutes. You pick a local or a toll-free number from over 160 countries, and then you put your desk phones into a recycling bin. Our custom-built AI filters out the calls that reach you, so you're not plagued by spam calls that leave your employees arguing with robots. Each of your calls is automatically transcribed, summarized, and logged into your CRM by that very same AI system. And a key benefit, you get insight into what your customers are saying, their pain points, and what to focus on in the next quarter. If your business also focuses on outbound calling, our Power Dialer lines up the next call automatically, erasing any need of manual dialing, saving you hours in a week. And all of this comes with the benefit of local presence numbers. If you call somebody in Chicago, it will show a Chicago number, with studies showing up to 400% increase in pickup rates for localized numbers. First question that pops into your mind is how much, right? CloudTalk starts around $19 per user per month for smaller teams. The sweet spot is in the mid-tier plan, where the CRM integrations and smart routing and advanced features unlock. And if you need to scale further, you can add parallel dialing, advanced analytics, even AI voice agents handling calls 24/7. There's a demo link in the description down below where you can try out these for yourself and let me know in the comments how you've handled business phone numbers until now.
CloudTalk.